Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I just wanted to get ready with me because I'm getting ready. And I'm enjoying my new Hawaii candle and my little pineapple. You know, they have pineapples in Hawaii, so I thought that would look cool. And you can just see this beautiful Hawaiian mountain in Honolulu. And that's Waikiki Beach. And the name of that candle, I believe, is Waikiki Coconut. Or Waikiki. How's everybody doing? Let me get my hair back. Okay. First and foremost, how are y'all? Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. There's something about coffee. It just tastes terrible. So it must be what's the comfort of it, or just stopping, having something warm. But I mean, I could drink tea with cream and sugar, but I don't. Maybe it's the bitterness that's taken over by the hazelnut creamer. Anyway, I do enjoy it. I try to do decaf mostly. Okay, so today I'll just go ahead and tell you, I'm going to do my regular regimen, but for makeup, I'm going to use this Emily Edit because I've decided I need to go make sure I can still get it. But this is by Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. This is the Emily Edit. The Needs, N-E-E-D. I'm sure there's so much background on this that I don't know. Feel free to look it up. I just love the names. I feel like so many makeup names are just awful. This is certified by PETA as cruelty-free. It's one thing to say you're cruelty-free. It's another thing to say you're certified by PETA. PETA is the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, and some of the people consider them a terroristic organization. Others feel like they have extreme compassion for animals. I'm not here to get into that. I don't believe in being cruel to animals, but then I eat meat and I have leather products, leather shoes, leather handbags, and I'm sure I have makeup and things that have some kind of something in it. I do believe that if you're going to kill an animal, that God's very clear, it needs to be done humanely. So it needs to be done quickly and with precision so that it doesn't suffer. So anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that. But this is a cruelty-free, for those of you who that's really important to you on what you wear for your makeup. This is a cruelty-free product. What I like is the name, so I'll just tell you the names while I'll let you look at it, so you have something to look at besides my face without makeup. But the bronzer in the top, starting in the top left-hand corner, is called Courage. Then the next one down is Joy. The next one down, the highlighter, is Gratitude. So just those three right off the bat, to me, it almost feels like, did a Christian make this palette? Then you have over here in the matte highlight is Kindness. Then you have Peace, Love, Hope, Passion, Faith, Honesty. And I just could look at this every day. So I've made a decision that when we do the spring summer giveaway, this is going to be the palette. So I think that's going to be awesome. So I thought, well, you need to use it today then. So I will let you know I've already put on, did I already wash it back off though? I'm going to put on this Charlotte Magic Cream. This is Charlotte Tilbury's face cream. She uses it. Charlotte Tilbury is a British makeup artist that's world famous. She does all the runway shows, or a lot of the runway shows for big, big brand names. But mainly it's the fact that and before I forget to do this, she always is very clear that you do rub hard when you put makeup on. You just rub up, but very, very hard. She even uses her knuckle like that and pushes real. She says it breaks up something and lets go of the toxins. I would think it also is exfoliating in the weirdest ways, and it brings, you know, when you rub something really hard, you're going to get your blood to rush there, and blood brings oxygen, which is really good for your skin. So that's what she says to do, and she is a mega pro. She has one of the best makeup lines I've ever seen. Her packaging to me is second to none. Even Chanel, and I know you're like, even Chanel. Chanel's is so classic with the black and white and the fact that they've stuck with it and made their brand what it is. Charlotte is also very, very, what's the word? She's very classic beauty. You know, she always uses this burgundy and then the rose gold undertones. And, I mean, I could almost do a Charlotte video right now, except I'm not. But I've done so many Charlotte Tilburys that people are like, is that the only brand you wear? Of course not. I wear lots of brands. But really do like hers. And this instant turnaround moisturizer is what she uses for every single time she does someone's makeup. She puts this on first. And I can tell you one reason right now. It gives you a sense of glow. It gives you a sense of moisture. There's a bit of a sheen, but it doesn't feel greasy. It absorbs into the skin really, really fast. Y'all know my favorite moisturizer is the Chanel Le Lift in the Cream Riche. And it's my all-time favorite. It is the best absorber. It does not have the sheen like this does. So that's something to consider if that's important to you, to have that glowy look. And then I have already done this, but I already told you in my skincare regimen that I've been using this 100% Pure. That's the name of the brand, 100% Pure. So if you want to look this up, it's www.100, the number, and then percent, the word, pure.com. 100% Pure. And this is just a vitamin C serum. Now, when I look at the ingredients, it doesn't start off with vitamin C. And typically ingredients are in the order of the largest volume in there. So the largest volume in there is organic aloe gel. And it's certified organic. The second thing is vitamin C. So that puts it pretty high on the list. You've got aloe gel and you've got vitamin C. That's really good for your skin. The third thing is vegetable cellulose, which I don't know what that is. I don't know if it is. I don't know what that is. And then there's vitamin E, then green apple, then grape, then vitamin B5, which is panthenol, then an antioxidant, then broccoli, actual broccoli, seed oil, flaxseed oil, willow bark, and evening primrose. Oh, and witch hazel. Some people can't wear witch hazel, so I want to make sure I said that. But it's cruelty-free, it's gluten-free, and anything that it says it's stable and potent, you'll notice it's in one of those jars that you don't want to get too much light to, so I guess I shouldn't just keep holding it in front of the light. Because it's organic, I guess. I don't know, it may change the potency. But I always mix a squirt of that and a squirt of this with its Feel the Moment serum. And this is an anti-aging, ultra-hydrating, sensory awakening primer serum. Yes, it has all those properties. It's hydrating. It's a primer for your makeup. It is a serum. It's anti-aging. And it's a sensory awakening because it's also has a balancing treatment of essential oils. And that's what you inhale when you smell it. And you can definitely smell it. But it has caviar action. And this is in the order of its. And you can get that at www.itcosmetics.com. And so the order of this ingredients, and it's right on the front instead of the back. I think that's because they're pretty proud of it. And they should be. Caviar extract, hydrolyzed collagen, peptides. Y'all, some people pay big money for each of these individually. Now, obviously, there's portion size and mixture. But, I mean, you can buy just hydrolyzed collagen. You can buy just peptides. I remember Estee Lauder had a big, thing on peptides forever. Hyaluronic acid. People are always looking for that in their products because it holds natural moisture. Vitamins A, C, and F, which is interesting to me, but vitamin C is already in this, so I'm thinking, why are you doing an extra one? That's a really potent one. The fact that this also has it in there, you could just have this. It has argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and deep ocean water. Y'all, that's a lot of really good stuff. Some people do just argan oil. Some people do just jojoba oil. Some people do just an avocado treatment. This has all of that in one serum. And it's a face primer. So when you put this on, it makes your face ready for your base. I usually put, if I'm going to use it, because of the essential oils, which it has oils in it, a lot of oils in it, I put this on at least 5 minutes early so that it can really absorb in. Whereas the others are kind of instant. This, I would say, takes about 5 minutes or less. But I highly recommend this. I have this, obviously, because I use it every day. So I've already put that on. All that's on. So we're just going to go ahead and start with my favorite foundation. Now I have to tell y'all something. Y'all know I'm a huge IT Cosmetics brand supporter. I love a lot of their stuff. I'm finding this does not absorb as well. This is the IT Confidence in a Cream. I'm actually thinking I may start using this in the evening when I've taken my makeup off and I have plenty of time for it to absorb. It says it's a transforming moisture super cream. Rejuvenation, hydration. It's a little, I don't know, maybe it's my application of it if it's too thick, but I feel like this is not quite as quick of an absorber as any of the others. The other thing that it's just not me, this may be you, and I'm finding there's all kinds of color cream sticks out there, and these type of compact creams. I'm more of a liquid person. I just feel like cream sits on my face and feels sticky. I do like the packaging on this. It has a little sponge applicator and a little top piece so that, you know, it doesn't sit on the makeup, you know, because it is a sponge and this is cream, so it's wet and little bunnies can grow in it, I guess. But anyway, I've tried it several times and I just don't like it. I'm going to keep using it maybe on days whenever. I also smell almost like a Noxzema smell. You know, do y'all remember Noxzema skin cream? But it's just not been my favorite. So, because I was going to use it a few times and I don't know. I have used it once or twice with you guys. The other thing is this Organica Pure Mind aromatherapy oil. I do like putting this under my nose when I'm getting ready. It's literally, I put it on either side of my nose, right there. It's just a good aromatherapy. What does it have in it? Peppermint, lavender, marjoram, lemon, lime, lemongrass. I'll tell you, I mostly smell lavender. But it's a gentle roll-on onto pulse points as required. For external use only, avoid eye area, do not ingest, discontinue product if it's irritating. I put it on my nose so I can smell it. It's not irritating me. I'm just kind of rubbing it in. But I'm sure they're thinking put it here, pulse points. Why pulse points? Because oils heat up and smell more. So if you got a pulse point, where's that? That's your heart and your blood rushing, so it's a little warmer. Maybe, you know, right down your cleavage. But for me, I just like to put it on my nose to smell it when I'm getting ready. Alright, so I'm using my Perfection Lumiere Velvet in color 22 Beige Rose, as y'all have heard about 1,000,000 times. I'm using an F80 Flat Kabuki from Sigma Beauty, as y'all can see. And I'm already going into part 2 and I haven't even got done. I haven't even got